The throughput histogram is a bar chart that illustrates the number of work items completed by your team each day over a period of time, along with the frequency of each throughput value. This visualization aids in grasping your delivery consistency and helps set realistic expectations for future performance. The horizontal axis, or x-axis, represents the number of items completed each day, your daily throughput. The vertical axis, or y-axis, indicates how many days you achieved each throughput value or frequency. Each bar indicates how frequently a specific number of items were completed in a day. For instance, if the bar above 4 reaches 7, it means you completed 4 items on 7 different days. Hover your cursor over any bar to view the exact frequency for that throughput, along with the cumulative % of days which had that same throughput frequency or less. Percentiles are included on the controls for this chart to provide insights such as 70% of the time, we complete 4 items or fewer per day. Higher percentiles incorporate more outliers. For example, a 95% line indicates that you finish that number of items or less on 95% of days. You can use the item filter to choose which items are represented in the chart, like work item types and estimation values. Let's say you want to analyze whether your team's estimations align with your delivery output. Select your estimation value, story point, t-shirt size, etc. And when you have low effort values selected, you should expect the chart be weighted to the right, indicating that easier work results in higher throughput frequency, while more difficult work will show the opposite trend. If that's not the case, you can now have a data-driven discussion with your team. Use the Reset button to clear filters and display all items. The workflow stages allow you to view your throughput's frequency when considering different dones. You could be interested in analyzing the frequency in which your work moves into your testing stage, so make that workflow stage your new done to achieve this. Just like our other charts, the selected date control at the bottom of the page can be used to analyze a specific time period of data. Be sure to use this in cases of analysis where previous data doesn't match your current context. The orange line you can see across the chart is a cumulative percentile line to visualize the percentage of completed items accounted for at each throughput value. This can be toggled on or off by selecting the text under the chart. The throughput histogram is another smaller chart that complements others by highlighting your throughput by frequency. Make sure to utilize it when analyzing how often your work is getting done across your workflow. Drill down into specific types of work or estimations to uncover hidden trends and prompt data-driven discussions. We hope you've enjoyed this rundown of the throughput histogram. Please feel free to reach out to us via our support portal or by email at support@55degrees.se.